We are closing out our last remaining 2024 Indian motorcycles with incredible savings. Priced at $27,089, this Indian Challenger Dark Horse is beautiful in sunset orange. You get a stunning chromed-out Chieftain for only $18,999. Step up to a real luxury touring motorcycle with this Indian Roadmaster Limited priced at $25,999. The Indian Pursuit Limited features a fixed fairing and liquid-cooled power for only $27,999. The Roadmaster Dark Horse blends a black smoke finish with lots of storage and reliability for $26,229. A step up from the Chieftain base model, this 2024 Chieftain Limited has the bigger Thunderstroke 116 engine, GPS, remote locking bags, and more. Priced to sell at $22,999. We include the 1 million mile powertrain warranty for free with every new Indian motorcycle we sell. Talk to us about free nationwide delivery in our Fly and Ride program, where we buy you a one-way ticket to Chicago and you ride your new motorcycle home.